I first want to start with looking at my thumbnails just to kind of see where the project started from. Oh, it seems like it's hanging up a little bit, and then where it ended up. And so the sketches I used was this one right here, and then this one for the Garamond. So I think it's really interesting to see like where they're at, and the one characteristic of this X and the E and this shape right here. It is a 5 right now, but I turned it into an S later. And same with this, as a Q and an O that's cut off by an S. But I brought the S in so you could see more of the S in the final one. I'll show you the final one right now. For Helvetica, this is what it turned out to be. I was really kind of pleased with it. I really enjoyed a lot of the negative space. I took a lot of time to figure out how to align this X, and I aligned it with the bottom of the E, and same with the E with the bottom of the S. And this feature right here, I thought this was kind of fun right here, kind of like a checkerboard. From the original sketch, I had to add more characters because I wasn't quite meeting the requirement. So I added this K up here that added, I thought, these fun triangles, and then I needed something else. It seemed like it bland and it needed a real focal point, so I put this I that is hidden by part of the K here, which I thought turned out to be pretty successful. I was just happy with. In the Garamond, this one I was very happy with as well. I first had the dot a little lower down here, and I was aligning it with the serif of the S. But as I moved it up, it helped align here, which I thought was a little more interesting. It did end up in the middle of, not exactly middle of the page, but just a little above it, but still vertically in the middle of the page, which I didn't bother me too much. Which I thought this was very unique, and I really liked, mostly what I liked is this shape here, this white kind of long pointed swoop, and then this swoop of the 9 with this black that contrasts it. I thought it was really interesting, kind of created a great rhythm, and very interesting to look at.